We will speak about ternary operator in this video. What does it mean? Ternary operator is a short code for conditions. So I will show you. I have two options. It's ternary operator is suitable for short and clear conditions. So if you are something complex, so it means that the condition is bigger, it has more and more lines of code. Usually you can't use ternary operator. In this situation you usually use your classic if-else block. Okay, so what does it mean? If I will write, for example, something very simple for the beginning, if 5 is greater than 0, so print something like it is true, else print it is false. Very simple. So this means if this ends true, print this. If the condition is false, print this. Okay, I will run it and we will see that it is true. Okay, because 5 is greater than 0, right? If I will put it here 10, so it's vice versa. So it means this is false, 5 is greater than 10, it's not true, it's false, so it's print it is false, and we can see it here. Okay, great. But if the condition is very simple, you can use ternary operator. So what does it mean? It means, how I said, ternary operator is only short code. So you can write something like this. It is true if 5 is greater than, I will give it back like this, if 5 is greater than 0, else give me back it is false. Okay, so it means give me back or the text it is true if 5 is greater than 0. If it's not, it means else, give me back it is false. Okay, these lines are completely or exactly the same. Okay, so but of course I don't have print here. Okay, so I can put it here if you want. So it goes like this, and now it's already exactly the same. Okay, so print it is true if this condition is true, else print this. Okay, and this is exactly the same. So I will run it and you can see it is true, it is true. Okay, if I will go here and write 5 is greater than 0, 5 is greater than 10, and here again 5 is greater than 10, I will run it, it is false, it is false. You can see that it's exactly the same. This is only short code. But the advantage of ternary operator is that the value is giving back. So it means you don't have to write print here like this. And this line, this ternary operator, give you back the value. So it means you can store the result in some variable, for example result. So in this situation, if it is true, 5 is greater than 0, this is giving back. So this is stored in result. If I will write it like this, it is false, so this is giving back, and this is stored in the result. Okay, so I will print it and you can see that again it's absolutely the same. Okay, I will put it here 0 here, it is true, it is true. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So this is only short code for this, and you can see it's suitable for only short and clear conditions. Okay, if you have something complex and you need more lines here or here, so it is not good to use it. You will use it only if the condition is very short, is clean, and there is no so much code. So I hope you understand.